Wilson with Logic Ag Marketing out of Warrensburg, Missouri. Big or small, we'll insure them all. Have a good day.
I'm Shane Holtorf. I'm a commodities broker and an LRP agent. I'm not walking in your fields because I don't want to get my flip-flops muddy.
I'm Melissa from Wisconsin.
I'm Rich Canopy. I'll be coming from South Dakota. Pow pow.
Hey, I'm Jordan Hinkledye. I do the crop insurance at Logic Ag. I cover the whole United States.
I'm Adam Fredrickson. I work at Logic Ag Marketing. I do commodity brokerage and am an LRP agent.
Who is that?
I'm Preston McCoy. I'm a livestock agent covering the state of Iowa.
Hi, I'm John Huberman. Born and raised in Newell, Iowa. Joined the Logic Ag team over a year ago as a commodity broker and LRP agent.
Hey, Jay Silverman here in Northwest Iowa.